Welcome back to the channel. First and foremost, I just want to thank everyone. We hit 3,000 watch hours on YouTube, which is kind of a big deal. Almost 1,300 subscribers, so I appreciate everyone. Thank you so much. I have a video here that's going to kind of show you guys the difference between, a manual car and an automatic car. I apologize for kind of the disorganization in advance. These videos are kind of pieced together. Just a little bit about over the last, 3 or 4 months. So just little videos here and there. It's definitely not organized by any means. I didn't shoot it all on the same day. So I have a 2016 Dodge Challenger SRT 392, which is the SRT model, not a SCATPACK. And then I'm comparing that to a 2019 Dodge Challenger with the manual transmission. It's the WIDEBODY SCATPACK. So this is kind of just going to go through what makes more power on the dyno. So enjoy the video. Alright, so we have the stock 16 6.4 SRT variant. So we just made baseline pull, running a little ridge from the factory, so AFRs are in the high 9s. So you can see we put down 450, 434. So we're gonna get this on E soon and get this boy moving. All right, so we're getting set up right now to do some baseline pulls on 91, completely stock, no tune changes, nothing. So I'm just gonna get the smart access cable installed. We'll hit up a few pulls and you guys can kind of see what basically a stock manual 6.4 makes. So let's get to it. All right, so here's a close-up view of that car. So you can see we made 438 max HP, 446 max torque. Don't know why the torque line isn't reading, but the torque is there. So you can see here's that factory dip when the runners activate. I'm going to tune that out so it'll carry it over. And then once again, this is for this 2019 WIDEBODY Challenger, 6-speed manual. Beautiful car. And this yellow line, or no, sorry, yeah, the yellow line is actually the factory pull from the 2016 SRT 392 before they started calling them SCATPACKs. So once again, yellow line, 2016 Challenger 392, the SRT model. I mean, you could see he made about 4 less horsepower than our purple car here, and he made 4 more wheel torque than our purple car here. So back to back, I mean, fast cars from the factory. So all in all, should be a great day of tuning. Got another video coming soon, so let's get to it. All right, guys, that'll conclude the video of kind of comparing, you know, an automatic car, the 8-speed, to a manual transmission car, which is a 6-speed. If you've made it this far, I appreciate you guys for watching. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one.